Smelling alcohol like makes me.
What the dog doing?
This one's really interesting. Oh my god, it's like pokey. So I'm kind of getting ready. We don't have that much time. I realized we were gonna leave so early because we live kind of far from some of the towns. I also got some earrings from my grandma for Christmas, so I'm gonna put them in. I got these blue ones a few years ago, but I lost them because they're just so tiny. But what I love about them is they're the kind that you can kind of just screw on. I feel like Cinderella right now. Okay, I'm gonna tell the girls that I'm Cinderella. I kind of was giving Barbie, one of the Barbie girls, who was it, Erica? Maybe I'll tell them I'm Erica, because I really look like Erica today. Because even Erica has brown hair and blue eyes. Yeah, we watched that yesterday. The way Julian acts towards Annalise is like, he's so sweet. Like, watching Barbie movies as I've grown up a little bit more, I like realize the bigger details into, you know, I guess like the storyline and like what they really say and what they really do. Like I notice a lot of things that I didn't really notice when I was younger. And then today we watched Barbie Princess and the Diamond Castle. It always makes me emotional because they're Barbie movies and it's my childhood, but also I used to watch them with someone close to me and now I don't really get to talk to them, so I kind of get emotional. But, you know, what is what it is. Actually, I don't need a rush because I can do some things in the car. Wait, I can do my earrings later. I need to focus on doing my actual makeup. I don't know if it's because I missed my period for like so long, but why does it feel more intense than usual? Like, my cramps. Like a little bit. It's literally so pretty out here. We're gonna go meet the chickens and the goats. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna open the gate, guys. You guys better not get me dirty. Come in. Hi. Oh. Hi, chickens. Hi, goaties. Hi. Hi. You're gonna give me a hi, you're excited, huh? Come here. Birdo. This one likes to jump on me, oh my god. That one looks like the rooster right there. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, this one's like jealous. Hi. This one's trying to eat my freaking clothes. Hey. Get back. Get back. Get back, sir. Get back. On camera. I'm gonna get that on camera while I'm trying to open this. How do I open this? Seriously. Okay, bye-bye.
Well, you said, did you want...
I just got out of the shower. Video downloading. So I've been editing. I'm trying to get back on track, and on top of that, for me, one thing that I've noticed recently is when I get bored and like I can't get on my phone in the exact moment, like it's like something that I'm not supposed to do, so I stay away from it because I'm busy taking care of the kids and whatnot. Sometimes I think of ideas. I'm like, oh, this is a really good idea. Like, oh, like I need to tap into something a little bit more creative. That's where I find my creativeness is like through random little things. So I start focusing on random little things, and I'm pretty good with not being on my phone. I feel like most of my screen time must be music. I've also been watching a lot of Barbie movies recently, and my favorite one honestly is Barbie Princess and the Pauper. Like, best movie ever. Best movie ever. And I have this like jacuzzi, I don't even know what it is, like bubble tub or whatnot, and there's like thick rims, and I go in there and I leave my door open for my baby Nebula because she's kind of worried and overwhelmed while being here, so I leave all the doors open so that when she can come to me, she can. So when I'm going to the bathroom, I leave it open, like if I'm brushing my teeth and taking a bath and whatnot, and she goes over there every single time, and it's like, Mom, you're in danger, you're hurt, you're taking a bath, like that's so scary, all the water, oh my god, and she'll go and sit on the rims. So when I was taking my bath, I have a bath and a shower, which is like so amazing. But anyways, I'll insert like a little picture of what she's been doing. It reminds me of the scene where Erica, I think, is in the bath and there's Wolfie on the tub and stuff, and especially when she jumped today, the water was pretty full, and so she kind of slipped and then her foot fell on the rim, like outside the rim and stuff. There she is. She's missed me, so this is our nightly routine. So it reminds me of Barbie movie, but I can still feel her wet paw. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Anyways, being able to have like such a nice, relaxing, huge bathtub experience has made me realize everything I've ever wanted, I've gotten. Everything I ask for, everything I want in life, I always get it. I love baths, like my mind and in some way the universe knows. When I'm stressed, I need like a nice bath. Nebula, what you doing, baby? The greatest discovery in life is self-discovery. Until you find yourself, you will always be someone else. Become yourself. I love that. That's why I put a little star. So like really important things, I always like try to put a star or something. My mom got me this. I feel like yellow is like really my color. I just worked out, so I want to do like something fun because I have to go pick up one of the girls in a second. But I want to edit my video. I kind of want to do my perfume box because I got a perfume kit for Christmas. Got this that I want to work on. But there's a few things that I need / want to do. So I started driving the van and oh my gosh, like I'm doing a pretty good job. Okay, let's back out. Going back home today, we're gonna go to the store, so that means I'll go out. Come on, puppy dog. But I'm kind of excited because I haven't really been to the store, and I love just going to new stores and new places, even if it's the most basic things. And maybe I'll get some little snacks for myself, some like cheese board stuff, just so that I can have something to look forward to. But so I've been wanting to do this, but I haven't had any time. But now I finally have time. I've been so busy, like waking up at like 6 or 7, and then I'm busy from that point on. I woke up this morning and one of the girls, like I had my hair like this, and I went upstairs, and she was like, "Oh my gosh, you're so pretty," and I was like, I don't know, she was really sweet. Actually, speaking of my hair up, I like my hair up. I'm gonna go put my hair up. I was thinking today while driving, and I was like, there's one thing I haven't really given myself credit for this year. It's how much better I've gotten at driving. Oh, is this lavender? Because I'm allergic to lavender. I don't know. But yeah, I've done a really good job with driving, and I think that's because I've had to drive like so much. All the perfume bottles. And now I'm gonna be driving in a different environment that I'm not used to, so on top of that, oh my god. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna make a lavender one for someone else because I don't like lavender. This one's really interesting. Oh my god, it's like pokey. Okay, then I have all the lemon, like, scents. Orange, I have rose, vanilla, white tea, and jasmine. I have perfume alcohol. I wonder if, like, if I mixed these, would it be better? Okay, let's start smelling these things. I think I'm gonna like the lemon and the orange. I'm curious about all this. I just love opening stuff and, like, checking on it, I guess. So the cardboard box is gonna be our, like, table. Should I, like, make this where you can see a little bit better? Perfume thing. So I think what I'm curious about is the orange, the lemon, and the vanilla. Okay. I can kind of barely smell it. Ooh, that smells really good, actually. Okay. Smells like cleaning product. I don't like the rose. I don't like a lot of floral things. I love sweet. Okay, yeah, I'm very picky with my scents. Maybe I can make someone a scent and it can be the clean, the simple scent, but I don't like that stuff. Probably not on that well, but I'm not gonna care about that right now. Okay, so I made 3 perfumes in a mess. I think I'm done. I think this is a little all over the place. Okay, that gave me a headache and a stomach ache. Oh my god. Oh, smelling alcoholic makes me. I drank a little bit too much in Korea, like 1 or 2 times. Because I never drink, so I wanted to try it out, and I got absolutely wasted. I went to the hospital. Oh, never again. And now I'm traumatized by any smell of alcohol, and I can, like, point it out, like, super fast because I hate the smell of alcohol. Anyways, now I think I'm gonna journal and try to feel better.